Hi, my name is Gordon Farrell. I'm the Technical Service Manager at Globe Fire Sprinkler. The following video is to help you understand the setup, testing, and maintenance of the given system riser. Please refer to the most recent technical data sheet. If you do not have the data sheet, just scan the QR code on the faceplate of the valve, and that will bring you to the website and the appropriate data sheet. Also, refer to NFPA 13, NFPA 25, or other applicable standard as necessary before you start working on the system. If you have any additional questions, please contact Globe Technical Services. So in this segment, we're going to go through the setup procedure for the model RCW double interlock electric pneumatic Preaction valve. I'll go through the components first. We have a main control valve. It's an indicating type butterfly valve in this case. We have a tapped butterfly valve so we can provide water supply up to our pressure chamber. In the pressure chamber supply line, there's a control valve, a strainer, a check valve, and a restriction orifice. Coming off of the pressure chamber supply, we have our emergency pull station, and in the back we have our releasing devices, including a solenoid valve and a dry pilot actuator. Below the clapper on the other side of the valve, we've got our connection for our main drain valve, our low body drain, and an air supply connection. So to set the valve, with the main control valve shut and the pressure chamber control valve shut, we have the main drain valve in the open position to drain the system down. The low body drain is currently opened, and any other system drain valves are open. Once the system is fully drained, we would go through and shut all the system drain valves, and we can shut the low body drain at this time. We want to reset the detection system in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Once the detection has been reset, we would reset the panel. We wait a few seconds as we're going to get some trouble conditions for low air supervisory, and a control valve is shut. Next, we're going to reset the clapper by depressing the reset plunger. At this time, we can open up the pressure chamber supply valve to introduce water into the pressure chamber, close the manual emergency pull station, and observe the pressure on the pressure chamber gauge. So next, I'm going to go over and observe for any leakage out of the automatic drain valve or tubing leading into the drip cup behind the valve. Now we can open up our air supply and fill the system with air pressure at a predetermined pressure. In this case, we're running a nominal 28 to 30 psi system air pressure. Once we're within a range of normal air pressure, we can partially open the main control valve until we hear water flowing through the main drain valve. Shut the main drain valve. And observe the pressure gauge on the supply. At this time, we can fully open the main control valve. Go back to the releasing control panel, hit reset one last time, and the system is now set for service. One additional feature on the RCW valves is all of the ball valve handles are color-coded. Green for normally opened and red for normally closed.